Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As always, I'm so happy to come back with another video. As you notice, yep, like I promised, to come back with another video on showing you how I install a wig. This will be my first time. It's not perfect, but at least I like it because at least you can see that you can see how the wig is really nice and really well installed. So I'm gonna show you step by step what I did. Like I said, it's not perfect. It's just for if you are in a hurry and or you're going to school. It's not like really professional or really extravagant, but it's just having fun and also a way for me to an opportunity for me to learn how to install a wig. And I'm gonna let you watch the video and I'll be right back. pretty much it. I really love this wig though. If you watched my video October favorite, I talked about this wig. Yeah, it's my favorite. This one and the other one, like orange or yellowish, how you say it, you have it. But this one is like, I don't know, you can see how the wig is really wavy. It was wavy, but I decided to straighten it. But it's really long. I like it like this. Yeah, I really like it. It's not I would say like I like the color. It's black is always good for me. Like wearing it, like on my hair, wearing it. Um, it's really nice, like box braid or stuff. But black comes first. But you can black comes first. I was really into wigs when I was growing up. But at a certain time, when you know, like from high school to college and stuff, I decided to stop wearing wigs, and of course, um, embracing my natural hair. Completely not like forgot about hair industry, but I want to just have good time, or I just wanted to learn the process of on um on embracing my natural hair, on embracing myself. Yeah, but I feel like it's really, it's really nice trying new stuff or trying good stuff, like improving yourself, discovering. It's really nice. But yeah, I really do like this wig. It's really nice. You can wear different types. You can wear different way, on a bun, or but this one I like it. I like this wig. It's really beautiful. It's classic. It's professional. You know what I mean. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section if you like this wig, if you like this video on how I install a wig. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and like this video, share this video with your friends so they can see it, and support the family. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I'm inviting you to subscribe to my channel this way. Yeah, do it down there. And as for me, I'll see you on my next video. Until then, you take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.